Ki nongtrei jongka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited haka arpun ru tarik unai wing 8,000 arpau. Kila penlong daka jing sanget trekam kawa shikanta bat ya lumpat ba hapalau jongka office trekam kapadan halum jing shai hanong ba shilong. Ban penpau ya ki jing pyrshah halot ka jingtyrwa jongka Sorkar. Ban aiti penyat no ya kane ka tanat penmi boarding shaka Kompeni jongki riu shimet. U President jongka MeECL Engineers Association u ba PK Chulet habaya kren bat kilat pathai kubor ula ong baki nongtrei ki pyrshah jur hado kata-kata ya kane ka jingtyrwa jongka Sorkar ban aiti no ya kane ka tanat penmi boarding shaki Kompeni jongki riu shimet. Hakajuk kapor ula ongru baki nongtrei jongka MeECL ki Dawa ban aiti ya ka Central Bureau of Investigation nakabenta ban tohkit halor ka jerse bamsap hadim ka Congress ka basyong hakaliang pyrshah jongka yeng dorba thau an ka jela dang shen kala keno baladon ka bamsap ka bashir khay ba hapok ka tanat penmi boarding ka bahap hapok ka penpe jong James PK Sangma kumo menteri jong ka tanat boarding.
The internal issues of the MECL. Our employees have not received salary yet for October. At this date, it is so late, and if we receive our salaries at this date, you can imagine what will happen to the salary of this month. And it is creating a lot of difficulty, a lot of hardship to our workers who are working very hard and giving the best. Even during the height of Corona, during the height of lockdown, our people have always given full 100% service. So why should we deny them their salaries? This is unfair. Our employees have not received medical reimbursements for a very long time. They have not received their TA bills. They have not received many payments that are due to them. Our arrear ROP of 2015 till now, 5 years after, it is still pending. And there are so many things that we are still yet to receive. Of course, we understand the position of the MECL, but we are also we are demanding that the management should think about us who have been giving our full service. Our pensioners, many of them have retired in these past few years, and very unfortunately, they have not received all the payments due to them. And it is completely unfair. They have given the best of their life. Their whole life, in fact, their whole service life has been given to this organization, and this organization is not doing the right thing by withholding many of their payments. There are so many other factors that we want to talk about, but these are, as of today, these are the main things that we are talking about. This smart metering is due to the fact that if it came as a grant or if it came in some other form, it is not really, we don't have any problem with that. But the problem that we are seeing is that in order to fulfill this smart metering, we have to take additional loans. The MECL is already suffering under a huge burden of loans. As of 1 or 2 months back, I looked at the figures. We're already having around 1,500 crores to be paid as loans. Why should we take more loans? If we're getting these through some kind of funding, we will not really have a problem. But why should we incur more loans? Because these loans now will fall, the burden of repayment will fall on our heads. And that will create a lot of problem in the future. In fact, the more loans that we take, we will also have to pass on this burden to the ultimate consumers of the state, which we feel is unfair. Our main demand is this. We want that the Electricity Amendment Act be revoked completely. We do not want it to be implemented. We want that the standard bidding document be revoked in entirety. And also, number 3, we demand that the requirements of our MECL employees be fulfilled. Say, for example, the government had promised in 2010 that they would pay the terminal benefits of the pensioners. At that time, it had come up to 840 crores. 10 years from then till now, from 2010 till 2020, nothing has come from the government. And we feel bad about this.
I'll tell you, smart metering is a national mission now. And why we are opposing the move for smart metering right now in the current context, we are not opposing the installation of current meters. What we are opposing is the way it is being done. You see, these smart meters are now being procured by taking loans upon loans. What happens is, as long as we go on taking loans, MECL will only go deeper and deeper into, to a point maybe it cannot even come up anymore. And the situation has become so worse today that even salary is not being cleared on time. And that's why we do not want loan. And why we don't want loan as far as the smart meter is concerned? Because there is an entity in the national level, which is called Energy Efficiency Services Limited, which has the mandate to, undertake and execute these kind of energy efficient projects. What it does is it invests itself and it realizes its investment from the saving that comes out of this energy efficiency project. For instance, let me tell you, if the loss today is in Shillong, let's say, if the loss is about 15%, now by implementing the project of smart metering, the loss can be brought down to about 8 to 9%. Then there is a saving of about 5 to 6%. A company like MeECL will realize from that saving. That's why when an opportunity is there to involve such companies to execute these projects, why should we take loan? Why loan after loan? It only shows that there's some vested interest, or maybe the government is not aware of these opportunities. So we appeal to the government that please take the correct steps and save MeECL.